Hi, it's Chalk It Up Fancy, and we're going to show you how to make these floral wall sconces. For your supplies, you're going to need two 12 by 5.5 by 1 inch boards, 2 hooks or brackets, 2 mason jars, 2 flowers of your choice, 2 46-inch pieces of twine or string, 2 13.5-inch pieces of twine or string, 4 screws, and 2 large sawtooth hangers. First, we cut the wood to measure 12 by 5.5 inches. Then we stained it using Provincial Stain by Minwax. You can even paint it. You want to measure to find the center of the board and where you want the hook to be placed, then we pre-drilled. The hook we decided to use was for a curtain rod. We attached the hook to the back of our board by screwing it in place. Depending on which hook or bracket you choose, you may have to screw it on the front of the board. It was easier to drill with the hook hanging off the side of the table. Once the hooks are attached, you are going to want to place a large sawtooth hanger on each board. We took 2 mason ball jars and painted them white. We applied 2 coats of paint, allowing for about 24 hours dry time between each coat. After they were dry, we then sanded them. We used Wise Owl salve for our protective coat to help seal the paint. You're going to place a little bit on your brush and wipe it over the entire mason jar. Once you have the whole jar covered, you're going to wipe off the excess with a cloth. Now we are going to attach our shorter piece of twine. You are going to find the center on either side of the mason jar. Once you have that figured out, you're going to glue the twine in place. This is what it should look like so far. You will then take your longer piece of twine and wrap it around the mouth of the mason jar. As you start to wrap the twine around the mouth of the mason jar, you are going to add some glue. And continue this step until it is fully wrapped. We are using a bouquet of artificial white roses. You're going to place them inside the jar, and once you have them in the position you want, you're going to move the sides of your twine throughout the flowers. This will help your mason jar to hang evenly. Lastly, it's time to hang your mason jar from your hook. And there you have it. Once you have it on your wall, this is what it would look like from the side. As always, thanks for watching.